Have a seat and the interview will begin.
I am Mr. Johnson.
How do you plan to achieve your career goals?
I plan on gaining additional skills by taking classes in OSHA training. I've noticed that your company provides in-house training for employees, and I would certainly be interested in taking classes that would be relevant to the position. I will continue my professional development by participating in seminars and continuing my education within the construction field.
What are the most important rewards you expect in your career?
Most important awards for me would be room for advancement and ability to grow within a company.
Why did you choose the career for which you are preparing?
I chose this career because it would remain a challenge to me, and every day would be a learning process.
What do you consider to be your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
My greatest strength is my flexibility to handle change. As lead of operation at my last job, I was able to turn around a negative working environment and develop a very supportive team. As far as my weaknesses, I feel that my management skills could be stronger, and I am constantly working to improve them.
How would you describe yourself?
I would describe myself, well, I'm a people person. I enjoy meeting and working with lots of different people. I'm a perfectionist. I pay attention to all the details, and I like to be sure that everything is just right. I'm a creative thinker. I like to explore alternative solutions to problems and have an open mind about what will work the best. I'm efficient and highly organized. This enables me to be as productive as possible on the job. I enjoy solving problems, troubleshooting issues, and coming up with solutions in a timely manner.
What motivates you to put forth your greatest effort?
I am motivated by the challenge of different tasks and projects. My previous manager gave me more and more responsibility as I proved myself. I found this very motivating.
How has your college experience prepared you for your career?
My experience in college not only prepared me for my career, it prepared me for life outside my career. I gained skills that cannot be taught. Though interactions with fellow students, professors, as well as college staff, I've earned a degree in people and social skills as well that I did not even sign up for. I learned a lot about myself during my first year in college. I focused challenges that I've never thought I would come across, and in turn, I have become more confident in myself. I am sure that my passion and talent in heavy equipment operation in combination with my confidence will enable me to be successful in the construction world. As a freshman, I've filled my plate with more and more than I could possibly consume. I've thought by carrying 18 or more credits each semester would put me on a fast track to graduations. Unfortunately, it burned me out, and I almost succumbed to the anxiety and stress it brought upon me. I've learned the hard way how important it is to pace yourself and to set goals and not to set goals that are not obtainable.
Why should I hire you?
Because I thrive on accepting and new challenges that test my current skills. There is not a challenge I have not yet overcome. I am a confident and honest person, and I believe that I will definitely be an asset to your company.
What qualifications do you have that make you think that you will be successful in this job?
I've completed and obtained certificates in not only heavy equipment operations, but also in heavy equipment maintenance, CPR rescue, standard first aid. I have a background in leadership, 2 years experience as supervisor. Also completed courses in heavy equipment safety, basic instructions, appraisal and bidding, and blueprinting.
How do you determine or evaluate your success?
I determine my success through my achievements and accomplishments.
In what ways do you think you can make a contribute to our organization?
As a hard worker with the experience to get things done efficiently, I can contribute to your organization in many ways. My organization skills and my ability to work well in a group. I have the experience and knowledge to contribute to the rapid growth of your business.
What qualities should a successful manager possess?
Every successful manager should possess creativity, self-confidence, leadership, and have good communication skills.
Describe the relationships that you have had with a superior. How did you relate to that superior? And did you have any problems with communications?
I related with my superior. I seen him as a mentor. He was very productive and easy to get along with, and there was no communication problems.
Tell about a time when you made a mistake. How did you feel when you made the mistake? What did you do about it? What was the outcome? Explain how those around you reacted.
I made a mistake by shipping the wrong order. I had it withdrawn and reprinted up, and we reshipped the right order. Everyone around me was kind of upset, but I've talked them through it. Everything worked out perfectly.
People often disappoint one another. Describe a time when a person disappointed you. Did you confront the other person or explain your feelings?
Well, in my last job, we had time schedules where different rail containers had to be unloaded, and I put my top guy in charge to oversee the other guys, and he disappointed me because they just sat back there and did bare minimum. I confronted him about it, talked to him, and the issue was resolved, and he went about his business, and by the end of the shift we completed all that was necessary.
Describe a leadership position you have had. Did you enjoy being in charge? What are some positive aspects of being in charge? What are some negative aspects of being in charge?
Well, as my last position, I was lead of operation, and yes, I liked being in charge because it gave you a feeling of worth, and it was up to you to get the things done. The bad part about being in charge, I guess, would be the stress and the pressure.
What has been your greatest failure? How has this affected your thinking? Could you handle the same failure differently now? Did others around you feel the same pressure? Did you discuss your feelings with them?
My greatest failure was, I guess, being demoted. For the company went across seas, and I was demoted from a lead position down back onto the floor. I did not handle that very well. Everyone around me knew it, and I did not express my feelings with nobody.
What do you know about our company, and why do you want to work here?
I know you're a great company to work for. You have great benefits, and you have room for growth. I know you've been in business for like 50 years.
Thank you very much, Mr. Johnson. It's been a pleasure interviewing you.
Thank you, sir.